Right from birth, children use their sense to try to understand the things around them. In today's video, we are going to be looking at an uncommon activity in early childhood called sensory play. Let's watch it now. Hola, this is Lady and welcome. I'm a childcare provider in the city of Palmdale, California. You are in the right place if you want to grow your business and you want to improve your program. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button so you won't miss my next video. Now, are you guys ready to see what kind of sensory activity I do in my childcare? Let's watch it now. Sensory activities for children can be messy, engaging, fun, and the most important, easy to put together. I have 3 different curriculums that I use for my preschoolers, and I will share that information here in the description of this video. By curriculum doesn't mean I will do exactly what the curriculum says. I personalize my own and I get the ideas and I don't copy exactly what the curriculum says. It's very important when you get an idea that you make it your own, make it unique. Each of us, we have talents. Each of us, we can create something unique and personalize your program with your own creativity, and you're gonna feel more comfortable. This is one of my favorite activities. We are using animal oceans and also some stones, and I got this one from the dollar store and then Kinetic sand from Amazon. What do you guys think about this?
I'll play after.
Thank you to YouTube, I was able to meet excellent people. And on Facebook, I found Miss Anand Najib. She's an amazing provider from Canada. And after I saw her work, I was inspired by her creativity. And I wanted to share with you guys her work. She's on Facebook, and below in the description of this video, I will share her name and also a link so you guys can follow her on Facebook and see her completely album of sensory activities. this is the end, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button so you won't miss my next video. Hasta pronto! See you soon!